Should you sign up on QA World or not? QA World is a transcription website that deals primarily with call center transcriptions. QA World accepts transcribers from all over the world, and their platform is beginner friendly. By that, I mean if you haven't had any experience with transcription and you want to learn or start, QA World is one of the best places to start. I personally learned how to transcribe with Scribby and QA World. QA World claims to pay 20 cents per audio minute, and they also claim that the average transcriber makes around $130 per week, whilst the highest paid transcribers earn around $375 per week. To become a transcriber on QA World, you would have to sign up first, and you'd be given an audio or video file to transcribe and submit within a specific time period. The files are usually not long. When I signed up, my test file was just 2 minutes long, so it did not take long to complete, and it didn't take long to be approved either. It was approved that very same day, and I was granted access to start transcribing on their platform that very same day, but there were no files to work on. I noticed that files started becoming available around 6 p.m. in the evening. That is the GMT time zone since I live in Ghana. Files were available from that time through the night to around 9 a.m. in the morning. So here we have the QA World homepage. High quality transcription, QA, and call analysis. So they basically transcribe call center audios. Analysts at QA World role, you'll have good typing skills and a strong command of English. You'll be producing high quality transcripts of audio calls. Your requirements are access to a computer, either laptop or desktop, internet access, and headphones. You do not need to own a computer, you only need regular access to one. Benefits: work from home with flexible hours at your own pace. Join our vibrant online community of transcribers. Develop your English and transcription skills. There's supposed to be a sign up form here. I don't know why it's not there, so I think either they're not taking any more new applicants or they've ceased operations. I can't really tell. I did have an account there, but I had the account closed because I wasn't really earning much, so I had it closed down. Go ahead and check their Facebook page to see if they have any updates on there. It seems their last post was in 2019, which is around 3 years ago. But then I created my QA World account in earlier this year, 2022. So I think their Facebook has been quite inactive for a while now. But anyways, QA World pays on a weekly basis. So if you make an amount of money this week, you should expect it to be paid into your PayPal account next week. And PayPal is their only payment method. I don't know. I think they probably ceased operations. Maybe because people stopped working on there because their pay is really low. So I would go ahead and go to my email so we check payments I was receiving from QA World when I used to work on there. Before we go through the payment proof, I I would appreciate it if you did like this video and subscribe to my channel. So check the first payment. QA World has sent you 38 cents. So this is the first pay I received from QA World after working for a week. QA World payroll November 29th to December 5th, 2021. So for the week, this is a week's payment. Then this QA World has sent you 24 cents. 0.24 US dollars. That was from January 10th to January 16th, 2022. And the third QA World has sent you 49 cents from January 24th to January 30th, 2022. And the final QA World sent you 8 cents from January 31st to February 6th. So as you saw in the payment proof, QA World doesn't really pay much. Even though they said the average transcriber earns around $130 per week, I don't think it's entirely true unless you really work very hard. And even with that, I still don't think the average transcriber will make $130 per week. But if you've had a different experience with them, please let us know in the comment section. And if you could share how much you earned also from them on a weekly basis. So if you do want to learn how to transcribe, I think QA World is the best place for you to learn how to transcribe. And if you want to sharpen your transcription skills as well, QA World is the best place for you. But if you would want to do transcription as a job where you would want to earn money, then I don't think QA World is really a place for you to transcribe to make a decent amount, because their pay is really low. And I think they've either ceased operations now or they're not accepting any new applicants because the sign up form is not on their homepage anymore. I don't really know what's going on, but if you have an idea what's going on with QA World, kindly share with us in the comment section. But if they do decide to resume operations, would I still want to work on there? My answer would be no, because as I said earlier, their pay is really, really low. And before I closed my account with them, I actually had a little above $1, which I was expecting them to pay me. I waited for like a month and it never came, it never dropped, they never sent it. So I really didn't understand why they didn't send it. But then since it was just a little above $1, I just decided to close the account because it was not worth working on there. So I personally would not want to work on QA World. But then if you do want to learn how to transcribe or sharpen your transcription skills, QA World is one of the best places to do so. In case they become operational again and you want to learn how to transcribe, you should give it a try. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, suggestions and additions, please let us know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications anytime I upload a new video. See you later.